The following chart is called a Vedic square. Each number in the chart is found by multiplying the number at the top of its column by the number at the left of its row. When a product has more than one digit in it, these are added to give a single digit. For example, 8 times 2 is equal to 16, which we can see here. And the 1 and the 6 in 16 are added together to give you a 7, as you can see here. Scholars and artists use this Vedic square to draw a design. A row of numbers and an angle of rotation are selected. Each number in the row gives the length of the line to be drawn. For example, using an angle of rotation of 90 degrees and the number sequence in row 3, we get this pattern. Continuing the sequence of numbers and rotations leads eventually to this design. Different designs result when a different angle of rotation or a different row from the Vedic square is chosen. Which row was used to create this design? Okay. The quickest way to find this out is to start labeling the lengths of all the different sides. Let's start with this down the bottom here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units long. This next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 units long. The next side along is 2. This one is 4. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, let's count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 actually. So let's just write these numbers down. We had a 7, a 10, a 2, a 4, a 6, and now let's keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have an 8 now. Then this is just a 1, and this is a 3. And we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Let's see which one of our rows actually shows this type of pattern. Is it row 2? No, row 2 here doesn't seem to contain this pattern. Is it row 4? We do have 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 3, 5. And then a 7, 9. This actually matches most closely. I'm sure that if the Vedic square was expanded and we continued to count, we would actually lead to our answer. But for now, we can be content that the answer is this here. Row 2, and hence our answer should be A.